Good morning. This is how Leo's morning routine starts. I wake up first, make coffee, and then I go wake him up.
Good morning. Good morning.
Laptop, morning, and then jumping into meetings and coffee until my housekeeper and my chef come in about 20 minutes. All right, boys, so this is like a sales call. Funny enough, I'm the only one in the entire company that's allowed to have their camera on and still be joining these meetings. My overall goal is just to like shadow in and see how the company is doing. I don't really make key decisions anymore. We have leaders in the companies to look at obviously how the sales team is doing, the setters, the closers, the percentages, and are we on track to hit our goals? Because obviously that's the biggest thing. We have goals. Are we on track? Are we making the right decisions to get there? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I might get some snacks. I usually don't snack in the morning. I wait for the chef, but he's running a little late. Fun fact, I literally have every single drop shipping product you could ever think of. Collagen peptides, we got the carnitine, we got, Groons. Yo, Groons is actually popping. Sold for 1.2 billion. Let's go. Shout out to Greens. Try to get a little snack. Let's see. Yo, I've been fucking with these lately. I don't know how healthy they are, but 7 grams of protein, only 120 calories. Pretty fire. All right, so now I guess I'm getting a haircut at the crib. Just try to like systemize my day as much. Try to make it more efficient. So I used to go out like 20 minutes for a haircut. I'm like, it kills my time. I can still like work. I can still look at stuff on my phone. So I was just like, get a haircut here. I'll eat breakfast here. Everything is just like here. And yeah, I guess it's the most efficient. Every single day, 4 eggs, turkey, bacon, 30 grams of protein. And then obviously like a smoothie. And then that comes up 50 grams of protein by breakfast. And yeah, just trying to get 200 grams of protein every single day.
Do you want to tell the people what you're working on?
Fulfillment. Like last month, we ran into a massive issue with fulfillment. And a week went by, we didn't fulfill our orders because like the person in charge had like a really bad health issue. We ended up like spending a lot of money just figuring it out and lost a lot of money.
How much money did you lose?
Yesterday we looked at it and we lost 200K.
What's the game plan?
Going in there, jumping into the trenches and facing it. Always needed that, right? All right, so by now I've taken like 3 meetings. I chatted with the leaders, so like the C-suite in the company. I already have a headache because there's like 20 fires going on. But this is what it is like running a business. I'm getting Slack notifications, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take a little break. So I'm going to the gym. The best thing is I live in a hotel, so I do have a gym downstairs, but I usually like feeling that type of way when I go to the gym. So I hit up valet, I tested him. I was like, yo, let me get my Lambo. I'm gonna go take it for a spin, and then we're gonna go to the gym, which is like 5 minutes away.
Okay, so what are some things that you've been doing so far this morning? What's going on in the business?
All right, so the brands right now, we're prepping for Memorial Day. Basically, any holiday or any like big event, we prepare a sale and we just make sure that we have creatives, we got ads launched, and then we have like the messaging on the landing pages and everywhere to match the sale. That's something we do a lot of for sales, and then we're just getting ready to scale up. Because honestly, it's been the worst 30 days. The last 30 days have been so bad across the portfolio of companies. I don't know, like it's just one of those months. I mean, we had a fucking amazing Q1, but like right after that, everything just kind of declined. So it's just ups and downs, and this is what it takes, and this is what it really looks like running a company.
What are some things that are happening behind the scenes that people don't really talk about?
I think it's just like leadership and understanding, like we have a people thing, right? we run a company with so many people that there's always going to be like someone doesn't agree on something, or there's just going to be a lot of drama with something. And as a leader, you kind of have to decipher what is good and what is bad and what's actually going to move the company forward. And it's so hard because it's like, you're making decisions all day, that's chill. But when you think about it, it's a lot of pressure in your head, and like all you have to do is literally just constantly, is this good, is this bad? And 99% of my day includes saying no to basically every idea. And that's horrible because we have amazing ideas. But I, as a leader, have to be like, no, that's not as important as the main objective. I have to focus on this. We have to focus on this. So that's just kind of what it comes with.
And what do you do as a leader to stay in a good headspace?
I wasn't in the best headspace the last week, but I realized that it was the gratitude thing. So whenever I'm like not grateful for everything that I do have, because regardless of me losing 200K or the business not doing as well, I'm still blessed. Like, let's just call it how it is. Like, I am genuinely very blessed. I still take care of my parents. I still take care of people around me. Like, I still have plenty of cash to do the things that I want. And no little loss like that is really gonna affect us in a, life-changing ways. I think it's just like remembering to be grateful when things are going bad and even when things are going well. So it's like, I really just got to practice my gratitude and really get back into that headspace of being grateful for everything. We just finished off the lift. I am a bit too sweaty to jump in the car, but I don't care, to be honest. I'm so glad we didn't run. I usually run at the end, but I'm cooked today. I'm just like so mentally exhausted with so many problems that I couldn't even like yo, let's go for a sprint. Like that I don't know, it didn't make sense. So I'm gonna go on a walk, get my 10K steps in later. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That wraps up the gym. It's a good day. And then yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch, and that's it. That's basically what my morning looks like. A lot of routine, a lot of meetings, a lot of fires to extinguish, but I love it and I wouldn't trade it for the world. All right, boys, so we just wrapped up lunch. I got maybe like a few calls tapping in with a few people. But yeah, that was pretty much my morning. As you can see, still hella productive, still had a lot of fun, still got some stuff to do. And yeah, just probably gonna look at content, obviously upload this content. And of course, if you guys like this type of content, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, what kind of videos you guys wanna see from me in the future. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.